In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status of your tasks in ClickUp. Managing tasks is not just about creating them. It's also about keeping their status up to date, so you always know what needs attention, what's in progress, and what's finished. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to change the status of a task in ClickUp using the list view, step by step. First, make sure you're in the correct space or folder where your tasks are stored. Once you're there, switch to the list view. The list view is the layout where your tasks are shown in rows, almost like a spreadsheet, with different columns for things like assignee, due date, and status. If you're not already in list view, look for the view options at the top of your screen and select list so that your tasks appear in that format. When you're in list view, look across the columns until you find the one labeled status. Every task in this view will have a status value in that column, such as to do, in progress, or complete, depending on how your workspace is set up. Now, find the specific task whose status you want to change. It can help to scan the task names on the left, or use the search and filters in ClickUp if you have a lot of tasks. Once you've located the correct task, move your cursor over to its status cell in the same row. Click directly on the current status for that task. As soon as you click, a small drop-down or pop-up menu will appear, showing you the other available status options. The options you see depend on your current status and how your workflow is configured. For example, if the task is currently in to do, you might see options like in progress and complete. From this menu, choose the status that best reflects the current state of your task. If you are starting active work, select in progress. If the work is finished and no further action is needed, choose complete. As soon as you select an option, ClickUp will update the task instantly, and you'll see the new status appear in the status column. That's all there is to it. By consistently updating task statuses in list view, you keep your workspace organized, your team aligned, and your workflow much easier to track at a glance.